Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to add rows and columns in your Notion template table database. This is my series where I'm breaking down all of the functions in your table database because if you have a better understanding of how to use the table database in Notion template, it could be useful when you're learning the other databases that Notion templates offers. So I have already inserted a table into my Notion template, and how you want to add rows is everyone's default is going to look like this. I did rename the columns. So yours is going to say name and then probably tags. Now, in order to add a row, all you have to do is go down here and simply click new, and it's going to add a new row for you. So to change a column and add a new column, it's a little bit different because you have to pick a property, which you can check out my other video on properties in Notion templates, because in order to add a new column, you're going to have to decide how you want that column to function. But say that you don't really know how you want that column to function right now, you're just creating a basic setup. Once you click on this plus sign, you're going to see that there's something that says new properties, which is going to be a long list of different things. And we are just for right now going to choose text because that just means you can enter in some notes and whatever you need, and later on pick if you want to change the property of that. So for right now, we're just going to add in text, and then we can put in the name of the column, and we can click off of that, and you can see that we now have a new column. And that is how you add rows and columns into your table database and your Notion templates. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.